Making connections, the art of semicolons. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of semicolons. Specifically, we're going to learn how to use them to connect closely related independent clauses. Semicolons are a powerful tool in English punctuation and can help make your writing more complex and interesting when used correctly. Let's get started. So, what is a semicolon? A semicolon is a punctuation mark that looks like this. It is used in sentences where you might want to keep ideas close together, even more so than with a coordinating conjunction like and, or, but. The key point to remember is that a semicolon is used to connect closely related independent clauses. An independent clause is a part of a sentence that can stand on its own as a complete sentence because it has a subject and a verb. You might be wondering when exactly we use semicolons. The rule is simple. Use a semicolon when you want to link two independent clauses that are closely related in thought. Let's take an example. I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go to the concert. Here, both clauses, I have a big test tomorrow, and I can't go to the concert, are independent and can stand alone. The semicolon brings these two related thoughts together, showing the cause and effect relationship between them. It's also important to understand some common mistakes while using semicolons. The most common mistake is using a semicolon with a dependent clause, which doesn't make a complete sentence. For example, I have a big test tomorrow, so I can't go to the concert, is incorrect. The clause, so I can't go to the concert, is dependent and doesn't form a complete sentence on its own, so a semicolon shouldn't be used. Another mistake is using a semicolon with coordinating conjunctions. For instance, I have a big test tomorrow, and I can't go to the concert, is incorrect because and is a coordinating conjunction. Now that you know the rules, it's time for you to practice. Write your own sentences using semicolons correctly to link closely related independent clauses. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to write, rewrite, and experiment. That wraps up our lesson on semicolons. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of how to connect closely related independent clauses using this versatile punctuation mark. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using semicolons with ease. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.